So this is the damage to the wing. Worsted. My attempts at welding it in there. So we're going to try and put a TPU wing mount on, and I've also got some M2C wing braces as well. So let's see how that goes. See if we can fix this puppy. Okay folks, we're going full M2C racing rear braces and also TPU wing mounts to try and save those wing mounts, and also to help take those impacts on the back. This is much not talked about, I guess. The M2C braces are just a piece of beautiful engineering. Managed to get those second hand, just fitting them now, and then the TPU wing mounts, nice and flexible. Should hopefully, you know, the wing will still take some of the impact, and the braces will transfer any impact to this top through into the bulkhead. So, you know, fingers crossed, we'll all be much sturdier on that back end, because I've gone through 2 lots of wing mounts, and I'm learning to drive, so you're gonna crash, aren't you? You know, particularly on that back end when you're trying to do backflips or whatever. So I'm hoping this will help, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. It's worth showing you this just one last time before I undo it completely. Look how bent they are, and obviously snapped on that side. So yeah, let's whip the wing off, put it on the new mount, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so the TPU brace is, wing mount, sorry, is on. It's quite neat the way they've done it. So here, let's just get my screwdriver. These go into the body posts mount, so you just take the original screws out. They provide some new ones which are a bit longer either side, and then you drill through here and here on both sides, just to provide that, I guess, upward lateral stability. And then of course it's got flex side to side, which is good. And then it's nice to see the M2C bracing. I mean, that is a beautiful piece of engineering, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it runs as well as it looks, but it's pretty bolted on this back end there. Super strong, super nicely put in. Just the only issue, so this is a V5, is quite low. You have to drill quite low in the shock mount. So I hope that holds. There are some alternative holes in front here. Let me just spin that round a bit, but they're just higher, you know, the higher versions, the lower versions. So there we go. And of course the V4 downwards, I think, had more fill in the shock mount tower. So those downward pieces would have been sat next to that. But, you know, I think it's an improvement to, you know, just the plastic spaces which you get there. And obviously I've got the hot racing brace for the centre brace as well, and the XB brace going down to the chassis. So yeah, hoping this is going to do the trick. So I've just got to get the wing mount, the wing itself on, and get out there. I've also fitted a Super Bash bumper. I'm hoping to get an Outcast Super Bash when you can get hold of them off the EXB RTR, but I've not seen them listed anywhere yet. But that will match the body slightly better of both the Notorious, and I've got an Outcast body. And really, although this is a Notorious, I like running it as an Outcast. particularly as they've just brought out the XB, which I might invest in one of those bodies, because this is basically almost the XB'd up. But let's concentrate on getting the driving skills up first. Okay, there it is, all in its black and red beauty now. You can get them in black if you want, but and blue, I think, but I think they look pretty special in red, obviously matching, well, close to the shocks and the braces in red. You can just see how she looks. And then obviously now it can bend, which and completely twist, so I'm hoping that'll hold up much better than the standard. We shall see. Let's see how it goes, folks. Okay, folks, welcome back. First up, today's my birthday. Guess what I bought? Yep, new car parts. So we're out testing this wing mount, and we've got underneath there, we've got the MTC brace as well. Yeah, let's see how it holds up. Already done one tip and it was fine, so fingers crossed. Also, I've done my body with not shoe goo, with the dog's pantaloons, which is an Evo stick product, and the tape as well, so we'll see how that holds up as well. Sailing well today, just taking it easy, getting it going. Is this too long a run up? I don't know. I don't think so. Yes, look at that. The problem with this jump, maybe, is the tufts of grass at the top, and it's not even all the way. And I'm new. So yeah, depending on where you hit it, depends how well it goes from there. Yes, that's good. Bit of forward, bit of back throttle to keep that right. I'm trying to get that in my head because I'm new to this. Well, I'm new to these big stunt trucks. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. There's a tank. So far, the only thing that majorly failed me is the input gear on the back, diff, and the body and the wing mount. Yes, nearly. No, not enough. I didn't hit the jump at the right place, and then not the right power at the right time. Nope, not enough. Again. Thank God I'm learning on grass, folks. But this baby would be in bits. Well, man, not enough speed. Need to give it more beans. Commit. Sometimes. Well, that was better. Surprised how well the
Super Bash bar looks actually. The curve I wasn't so keen on, but maybe with the Notorious body, okay. Now that's giving the wing mount something to talk about. See if that has survived. I'm not desperately trying to test it, obviously. I'd rather not. But it landed on the wing there. Maybe it landed on the wheelie bar. Oh yeah, it's had a bit of ammo there off the body. You can see the wing. Oh yeah, the body definitely took that. Already cracked at the back, and the wing is getting worse and worse. It was already cracked there. It's not going to last forever, that, unfortunately, with landings like that. I'm just letting this cool for a bit because the engine's quite hot. I don't have a temp gun, but I do have a hand, and that's pretty warm. So we'll let that cool down. So while it is, so there's the M2C rear brace. These are the TPU wing mounts. So far so good. As you can see, there's quite a lot of twist on there. Well, it will twist as much as you like. Still holding up fitment wise. The drill holes for that M2C are good. That seems to be holding up so far. Yeah, so V5, 6S. So with the camera off, I've been doing backflips all day long. So let's see if I can catch one or two. Yes, we can. That's the way to start the second part. She survived that. Well, he just made that bad boy. Oh, it's got to be a triple. Other thing to note on the TPU is it's not bending these screws because of the flexibility. And I was bending them, well, with runs like this, they would just bend. And then I had to cut into the diff case to get the screws out. So it was costing me quite a lot of money. And loads of time in repair as well. So this is 2 runs on the trot, and touch grass, you know, it's taking a beating and it's surviving lovely.